If you are a quilter, you are probably like me and you have bins and bins, this is just one, of extra batting. So, when you do a big quilt, you pull it off the roll or you buy a big piece and there's always a little bit left. So you never want to throw it away because waste not, want not. And every once in a while, you'll be like, oh, this is the perfect size. And then sometimes you'll go into your bin and you can't find the perfect size. You have an almost perfect size, but not the perfect size. This just happened to me when I was making a table runner. I had the right width and I'm like, yes, this is gonna work. And it was like 10 inches too short. Total bummer. But then I remembered this is not a problem because the batting is in the middle, right? And so I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to sew two pieces of batting together so you're not going to have a lump and no one will ever know it's more than one piece inside your project. You're going to be able to use your batting scraps, save a little bit of money so you can go buy more fabric. Some people will overlap a little bit and then sew it, but that will create a little bit of a bump. So I just cut both ends straight on each piece, and I'm just going to butt them up one against the other, and I'm going to sew with a zigzag stitch down there, and then no one will ever know that the batting in the center of my table runner is two pieces instead of one. I have my stitch set really wide, so it's at a 7 and a 3 stitch length because it doesn't have to be really close together and you don't want it to bunch up a lot. You want it to just hold it together for when you add it to your sandwich of your topper and the backing. And then you're going to be quilting through all of it. So as I go, I just want to make sure that this stays together. And let's see how this works. So I'm just going to go kind of slow because we don't want it to go like that and we don't want it to overlap. I want to get it as flat as possible. Now you do want to make sure that you use the same kind of batting if you're going to be putting one to the other. You don't want one that's fluffier than another so that you have different consistencies in your project. See, you can't even tell. You can just see zigzag. And it's nice and flat, and it's going to be great when it's quilted in my table runner. So just use the same kind, cut a straight edge, butt it up together, and just do a zigzag stitch, and you are good to go.